Hi, I'm Mohammed and you're watching the 25th episode of the Academic IELTS Writing Series. In this episode, we'll write the argument essay's conclusion paragraph. Well, let's get started. Let's start by collecting the ingredients we need to write the conclusion paragraph. And here is the conclusion paragraph. As the above paragraphs show, relationships and employment are two areas where social and practical problems of immigrants who have to learn a new language are made evident. These social and practical problems are unavoidable. As a closing note, it would be better if immigrants dealt with language learning before immigration. Congratulations, we've written an argument essay. In the next episode, we'll complete the discussion essay. Until then, keep learning and keep practicing.
Hey, it's me again. If you found this tutorial useful, make sure to like it, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel. Ask me your questions in the comments below. You can also contact me at mohammedgulpaigani@gmail.com for online lessons.